On back with Bassingtons. I hope you're all well. I hope you're all keeping safe. We're going to do a watch unboxing today, and it is by Tissot. Interesting story about this watch. It's a good friend of mine who's a very successful businessman. He's in construction, and obviously he works on the sites a lot of the time, and he was damaging very expensive watches, and he wanted a daily driver, a watch that he wouldn't, well, I wouldn't say wouldn't really care about, but you know, if it got damaged, it wasn't a disaster. And I recommended the Tissot PRX, and he turned his nose up at it. And it's quite interesting. He went to the dealership, the authorized dealership, and he was more interested in getting an Oris, and the Oris was well over twice the price. And the dealership recommended he went for the Tissot. I don't think much to the boxing. I mean, the boxing's just pretty ghastly, but we're not here to talk about the box. We're here to talk about the watch. And I have to say, I think this watch is absolutely gorgeous. The blue waffle dial really makes it, the integrated bracelet, and it is an exceptional price point. He couldn't get a discount off the watch. It cost him £565, but the dealership had one in stock. It is in high demand. When it was initially launched, it was trading above list, and the dealership said this is a far superior watch to the Oris. It has an ETA-based movement in. They put a sapphire crystal case back. I don't know why, because you know the movement doesn't justify it. But I have to say, this watch is absolutely stunning, and he loves the watch. You know, he actually wears this all the time, and he actually prefers it to some of his more expensive pieces. What I will say is that Tissot is owned by the Swatch Group, and they're able to produce an incredible watch at an incredible price point. You know, if Tissot, I should say, had been independently owned like Oris, there is no way they could produce this watch for £565. Because they're owned by the Swatch Group, they're able to produce a watch at this price point, and it is incredible value for money. Stay safe and stay tuned.